So let's have a look at our GUI controls, and okay, the icon, we need to get some icons for this. So let's find a missile icon. Or some sort of like bullet, rocket, maybe that rocket, yeah. So let's save that as collectibles, weapons, and we'll just say missile icon, right? And oh, what? I forgot to put the PNG. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. So then let's just zoom in and get close and precise. Okay. That's not what I meant to do. Huh? Yes. Prop. Yep. Okay, so let's save that, and let's in fact just close that as well and jump back to Godot and just fix the naming of it. World collectibles, weapons. Oh, it was PNG. Okay, fine. So what we're going to need is we're going to need a reference to that. So in our controls GUD, we're going to create a reference to our resource. So we'll say missile, in fact we'll say const icons is equal to a map. I don't think I've used a map in Godot yet, which is crazy because like objects rule the world in JavaScript or other languages, right? Everything's a vector. Okay, so we'll say that the missile icon is equal to the preloaded resource at world collectibles weapons missile icon dot png, and then our icons for the missile is the missile icon, right? That's not quite how it works, is it? It's actually like that. Godot map. Hash map. Dictionary, that's the one. Oh, Okay, well, it was just my syntax highlighting which wasn't keeping up. Okay. Wait, what if we say const there now? Okay, that seems to work. Alright, so what we want to do then, when we're on ready, do we have a game state? Yep. So we want to grab a reference to the game state, and all of these should probably be to stop Godot from freaking out. So in fact, let's just yoink. In fact, I might just, we're not using these variables, so there's no reason to give them names. Okay, so let's connect to game state, and we care about ammo collected, and we're going to call self, and then on game state ammo collected, right? And let's just grab a reference to this and say down here, bunk, and we're going to get a player number and a type, I believe, and the var component is equal to, oh, for now, oh, okay, so then we can say if player number, if player not equal to player number, then return. So we use an early return pattern. Otherwise, that's really annoying. Okay, and then we would say what? We would grab the S button, shoot button, shoot button dot icon equals missile icon equals icons with the type, right? Why are you complaining? Unexpected indentation. Yeah, I know. VS Studio. Okay, cool. So then when we pick up a weapon, it should fill up our control. Let's have a look. And player 1 collected missile ammo. I did indeed. However, I'm not seeing it update my icon. Okay, so let's just put a breakpoint here and see what was happening. So let's have a look again. So the ammo collected event is fired by the game state. Sorry, signal. Ammo collected. So we have two arguments. And breakpoint player not equals player number return. Okay, and then that should have been quite simple. Let's just okay, so we didn't get that event at all. So let's look up here. Emits in. Oops. It's quite loud. Okay. So we collected ammo. Player 1 collected missile ammo. So we're definitely logging that one out, right? So what else? What else? The game state. Okay, so let's go back to the controls. On ready, ammo collected. Is that definitely ammo collected, right? On game state. Huh. That's a bit weird, isn't it? That's odd. How would that not be picked up then? Game state. That's definitely set, right? Huh. I'm confused now. I don't see how that possibly wouldn't work unless there's something to do with the ready. So we could call like a call deferred on it. I mean, I guess what I'd do is have a private function called setup events and then call deferred. Set up events, right? Because I'm guessing that something weird with the ready callbacks is happening. Set up listeners, I should probably call this, right? Set up listeners. Okay, and then let's just print and say connected. In fact, let's just breakpoint here. Wait, before we do it this way, let's breakpoint to see if our assumption's correct that the game state's not available. That's weird. Okay, now I'm confused. What on earth? Oh god, I'm editing the wrong project. Oh my god, I feel so silly. Okay. I was completely stumped there for a while. I was just like, what is going on? Okay, so here we go, controls. So that's a little better, right? Okay, so now we can go game state dot. In fact, let's just unclose that. This one. So this is what we wanted to have here, right? And then we can just grab this and stop all the errors from complaining. Cool. Let's do that. Okay, and let's just copy over that handler that we got there and stick it down here. Okay, and then we just need those resources up the top there as well. Okay, cool. So, in fact, I'm just going to give that a capital letter, I think, because for anything that's loaded externally, I'd like to consider it class-like. Okay, so now I think that will kind of work. Something. Okay, we got the breakpoint, which I don't think we needed. Let's just run it again and see. Oh, and I've got a missile now. That's pretty cool. So I've now picked up my missile, and I should be able to shoot that in a little bit. So let's work on that. So in our controls,